Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to just show you all around because it's my first video, right, Liam?
Yes.
Okay, here is my sister Rowan.
Hi.
Here is my friend Maddie.
She's actually my friend, but still.
Yeah, she's my friend too. And okay, let's go downstairs. Here's Harper.
Hi.
Harper, say hi, like right in the camera.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
guys, don't forget about Cotton.
Oh yeah, this is our.
Wait, how did Cotton get in there?
Yeah, I don't know how he got in there.
I put him in there.
Oh, okay. Well,
Okay,
let's say hi to my other friend. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, he's just doing some school. And Sweetie, she's a fat guinea pig. Ugh. Yeah. So, Liam.
Guys,
See you guys
turn
in
into a ghost.
You are?
Yeah.
So, please like and subscribe.
Yep, please.
Press the bell button down below. And we film once a week on Saturdays.
Not only.
Yeah, not only if I have no school on like Fridays and Thursdays.
show your chin.
Well, not yet. I'll do that at the end. And please comment down below. Please comment down below if you want
Subscribe to our
to.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is called BB.
Yep.
Yeah, BB for Big Bros. And see you guys later.